In times like this, you need to focus on more than just creating a perfect event. Today, it is the safety of your patrons that's of paramount importance. In the first technology of its kind, ThunderTix uses automated social distancing for reserved seating that ensures there are bubbles of safe space between neighboring patrons. As tickets are purchased, we'll automatically block seats around each set of guests to help patrons feel safe. Need to block the first row or two to allow adequate distance between patrons and performers? Or do you need to block the front row of your balcony so guests at floor level aren't worried about patrons overhead? Whatever your configuration, you can block entire rows with a click. We'll prominently display the social distance seating between rows or seats so patrons get a bird's eye view of your theater that assures their safety needs are being met. As events reopen, collecting the names of all attendees allows you to adhere to any contact tracing requirements in the event you need to notify patrons with concerns. Our feature allows you to collect all names as orders are processed. Let us help you assure patrons that safety is first. Submit your seating chart for a custom-created seat map and display. We'll take care of seating while you take care of the show.